Alright, on our sandblasted one here, we got our cut marks all marked out. I'm gonna start cutting it apart to get this front piece that we're gonna use here. Is our front piece here. And luckily, like, the rusty, crusty spots are the spots that we're not using. It gets pretty clean on the parts that we are using. We do have an issue with some rust in the front part here though, so we'll probably change out that front section later. But as for now, I'd like to just get this kind of started to be part of the other piece.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
We went underneath and took out all the bolts that bolt the wood floor, or to the body to the wood floor actually. Only had to cut some of the bolts that were carriage bolts. The ones that actually go into the pockets seem to be okay. So we're gonna cut this and take the back off. This is kind of a by the wing of the pants kind of deal. Is that how you say that?
Seat of the pants?
Seat of the pants. I don't have wings on my pants. Just seat.
Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
I'd like to point out to you lovely people that it is currently, how many degrees in here right now?
1,000,000? Roughly 100.
So it's 100 degrees in the shop. It's 115 outside. Jared's been puking. I have a slamming headache. But we're here for you and our customers. I want you to remember that. Remember that come Christmas. You remember Jared and Kyle and their sacrifice for custom. Remember. Alright, we got that cut up just enough. That's exactly an orchard truck. Get in and out of it easy and stack all your bushels up there, your baskets. It's hot again. I got a new plan to make it cooler and it's cooled it off to 90 degrees at least today. So stinking hot.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be